Hi everyone and welcome to Fab Parks. Today I'm going to walk you through the package Hotel and Park of Phantasialand in the new amazingly themed Charles Lindbergh Hotel in Rockwood, where Fly is. The package includes one night in the hotel, 2 days in the park, fast track for Fly on each day, breakfast and dinner. I'm gonna show you how the cabin is, all the benefits, and we will try to understand, is it worth it? Well, it's not the cheapest package ever, but guys, you only live once, just do it. Phantasialand is really raising the bar in terms of experience. So from the PDF you received for your booking confirmation, which is already amazing, at check-in you get this package which includes the ticket, and then it's got a lot of little things that you're the only one that are gonna have them because you're a guest of the hotel. One is the Rockwood map, which is showing the whole area, plus a map of the hotel itself, being a kind of maze. It is mostly welcomed. Then you got your fast track for Fly. I didn't use them, so I still got them with me. And then you got the logbook. This is basically the directory of the hotel with all the information you want to know about check-in, Wi-Fi and all that. But it's also a notepad, which is amazingly branded, and you can actually take notes of your flying experience. And then you got some exclusive postcards, which are related to Fly, to Rockburg. Really nice touch. In your cabin, you're gonna find also the Gazette, which is a newspaper that you're gonna find in different locations in Rockburg, which is showing you a bit the story behind the theming. It's giving you lots of details, a bit of storytelling around the different characters, and it's giving you a snapshot of the food offering as well. What are the benefits? Well, you're gonna be in a hotel which is one of a kind. It's super themed, really nice, but it's wrapped by the coaster itself. On top of that, you're gonna have exclusive access to the restaurant, which is only for the hotel guests. It's got a bar and a pool table. Fun fact, the pool table, both the roof and the floor are removable because you are exactly on top of the loading station of Fly, so should they remove the train, this is where it's gonna come from. But the main benefit for me is like the panoramic viewpoint, which is a balcony, where you can have amazing views, and Phantasialand is gonna leave all the sounds and effects on until 1 a.m. just for you hotel guests to enjoy. Attention to details everywhere. The hotel is heavily and amazingly themed. Everything is in line with the experience you're in. The cabin itself has got 2 single beds and a bathroom with a window and a lot of storage. The bathroom is actually quite big considering the whole size of the room. I love the experience. It might look a bit claustrophobic, but I would definitely recommend it. Well done. You got dinner included, which is a 3-course meal. You got a starter. As a main, I would recommend the chips. You can choose different flavorings because they come with a side of 2 burgers. The burgers are deconstructed, so you can build them as you want. I took the truffle chips, and they came with real truffle. Never seen something like that in a theme park. Breakfast is the usual buffet, but I think the little gem here is like the buffet is on a pillar of the coaster. Amazing. The price of a pack, it's around €400 for 2 guests. Considering the entry tickets are worth €200, then you're getting charged another €200 for the room and the meals. It's not the most convenient pack probably, and sometimes 2 days might be a bit too much for Phantasialand if it's not crowded. But overall, I found the experience so immersive that I would definitely recommend it. If you like the video, just subscribe, and this week Immersion by Phantasialand is live, and I'm gonna publish 1 video every day about this park.